Welcome to our power supply showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between the CORSAIR RM650 and the Seasonic Prime TX-1600 Noctua edition. Both of these power supplies are designed for modern ATX systems, but they cater to very different audiences. The CORSAIR RM650 is a budget-friendly option that offers great value and low noise, while the Seasonic Prime TX-1600 is a high-end powerhouse built for extreme performance and silence. Let's explore their features and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to power capacity, the CORSAIR RM650 provides a solid 650 watts, which is suitable for most mid-range builds. However, if you're looking to power high-end components or multiple GPUs, the Seasonic Prime TX-1600 offers a staggering 1600 watts, making it an ideal choice for extreme gaming rigs and workstations. This significant difference in wattage can greatly influence your choice depending on your system's requirements. Efficiency is crucial for power supplies, and here we see a clear distinction. The CORSAIR RM650 is rated at 80 PLUS Gold, ensuring good energy efficiency and lower electricity bills. On the other hand, the Seasonic Prime TX-1600 boasts an impressive 80 PLUS titanium rating, which is the highest available. This not only means better efficiency, but also less heat generation, contributing to a longer lifespan and quieter operation. Noise levels can make or break a power supply, especially in quiet builds. The CORSAIR RM650 is designed with a low-noise fan curve, making it relatively quiet during operation. However, the Seasonic Prime TX-1600 takes it a step further with its semi-passive operation mode, where the fan remains off until the load reaches 50%. This results in near-silent operation for most tasks, making it perfect for silent workstations and high-end gaming setups. In conclusion, both the CORSAIR RM650 and the Seasonic Prime TX-1600 Noctua edition have their unique strengths. The RM650 is an excellent choice for budget-conscious builders looking for reliability and low noise, while the TX-1600 is the ultimate power supply for those who demand the best performance and silence. Depending on your needs and budget, either of these power supplies could be the right fit for your next build. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.